Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will do unboxing of my new tripod. You would be thinking that why it is open. I checked it from the shop. I bought it from Maharashtra. I came here to visit religious places. This is my knife. We will not open from this side, we will open from this side for your satisfaction. This is really not a knife but a pen. I will try opening from this. We do not need the box, so we will do just pull it with force. Now let's take out the bag. This is the bag. Okay, let's keep. First you will see this. This opens from a pen. This is the mobile holder. You can keep your mobile in this when you will connect it to the tripod like this. Oh yeah, like this. Okay. Oh, it pulled back. So let's see inside. We will open this. You can see the tripod. It stands pretty well and is nice. You can see from this side. Yeah, it is very nice and very strong. So to make it long, you have to do is just clip that off, and this also, all three, then lock them. I will just do it till here. Again this side, not this. Now this side. Yeah, now you can see it is standing. It is standing, and there is that, and this moves. This is for rotating, and you have to loosen it like this. Yeah, and rotate. You can loosen this and rotate. Again, like this side, you can rotate. Yeah, loosen it, and this will go like this. Now to attach this, you would have to do is place that here, and first you will loosen that and pull that up, and just make sure that covers that, and tight it like this. Now it has joined. Now you can just type that. To just make sure it goes up, you will have to lose that like this. It is quite long, but I do not do it. And this one makes it rotate like this. Okay, and this one is for bell, and this is for balance. Let's place mobile. Let's place mobile. Now we'll place the mobile. And you can see that it is quite nice, and you can tight that and make a overhead tripod, and you can just rotate it like this and that, and you can tighten it from this side also. If you want to change that, you can change like this also, so that it makes like this. It is very easy to make videos and click pictures. So this is nice. I bought it for 800 rupees. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.